I'm Kevin O'Flaherty. I hope you enjoyed this Learn About Law video and podcast presented by O'Flaherty Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several locations for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Hi, this is Andrew with Learn About Law. In this video, we will ask the question, are my assets safe from creditors inside a living trust? We'll discuss whether or not a creditor can file a claim against a living trust and what level of reach a creditor has against assets in a living trust. So, can a creditor file a claim against a living trust? And for the sake of this article, we're discussing like a common garden variety revocable trust, right? So setting up a living trust, also known as a revocable trust, is a common part of an estate plan and acts as a way for certain assets to avoid probate. Most would think that that after going through all the trouble to set up a living trust, that your assets are now safe within that trust. However, in Illinois, if the trust grantor, also known as the settlor, think the person who holds the trust or who the trust refers to is still alive, then a creditor can most certainly file a claim against them to settle a debt. And the assets aren't any safer than if they were not in a trust, basically. So why form a living trust in the first place? Well, the main reason most people form a trust, as I said before, is it's an integral part of getting their assets in order in case of death, so that the assets listed in the trust can avoid probate. And upon the death of the person, the irrevocable trust becomes an irrevocable trust, and the ability for creditors to access certain assets within the trust changes, right? So why are my assets not safe from creditors living within a trust? The bottom line is because you, the settlor, are still alive and have total control over the assets in your living trust, basically. So you can sell property, move money around, give money to others, etc., etc. The name itself, revocable trust, highlights the fact that the trust can be revoked by you at any time. So until you die, and sometimes even after that, those creditors can still get at your money. So in what scenario can a creditor not get access to the decedent's assets? Once the settlor, the trust holder of the living trust, has died and the trust becomes an irrevocable trust, the likelihood of a creditor being able to acquire those funds to pay off the settlor's debt diminishes. However, in some instances, a living trust may include an order to pay off debt before distribution to the beneficiaries, and this may be the case if the settlor knew they would have a debt upon death and wish to avoid any unnecessary legal issues for the involved family members following his or her death. In any case, a creditor can still file a claim to recover debt after the trust holder's death, but with the irrevocable trust now in effect and the appropriate decedent's assets becoming non-probate, the creditors are less likely to be awarded any money. Could a creditor still go after the non-probate assets awarded to the heirs? Yes, so as discussed in another article, can creditors go after non-probate assets? A claim can still be filed, which would go against the heirs and or the estate. This usually occurs if it is believed that the estate was large and or there was fraudulent activity and assets were removed or moved around specifically to avoid paying the debt. Bottom line, do not assume your assets are safe from creditors just because they are in a living trust. If you have concerns about the safety of your assets while alive or after death, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Thanks for tuning in.
Hi, Kevin O'Flaherty again from O'Flaherty Law. Hope you enjoyed our presentation of Learn About Law. If you need some help, please feel free to give us a call at 630-324-6666. That's 630-324-6666. We offer free consultations in many areas of law, and we have several geographic locations for your convenience. If you found this helpful, we'd love it if you'd subscribe to us on YouTube, SoundCloud, Apple Podcasts, or wherever you listen to your podcasts or watch your videos. Thank you so much for watching and listening.
Thanks so much for watching our video. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Click the subscribe button for new videos every week and download and review us on iTunes. Visit learn-about-law.com for other legal-related articles and videos. Visit our business podcast and video blog, seizeyourbusiness.com. Call us at 630-324-6666 for a free consultation.